why we're here. Let's see if you guys can deliver. And this crew's had a little fun, it appears, out at Beer Can Island today. And they're making their approach on dock. And let's see if, as our young lady committed, they can give us a show to start this one off right. Welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats. And it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Boynton. They're definitely taking the slow roll approach toward the dock. Not sure which one they're going to hit on, though. Definitely feel like we're getting a little bit of nervousness here, as they know the camera's definitely following them now. And they probably could pull on this dock right here that they're just in front of, but they don't seem quite sure which way they want to commit to on this. Come on, bro, you guys promised a show. Let's get it going. Oh no, they're gonna dip. They're going to go to the courtesy dock. They're not going to dock for us. In the end, it was a pump fake. No show. Oh, man, I can't believe it. They're going to the courtesy dock. That's unbelievable. And our crew has been at it for several minutes already, and it's not looking any better. I mean, bro, just if you drop the tailgate on this one, you'll have a much easier time trying to see what you're doing. The funny part is I'm pretty sure this is the same truck we saw last week having issues as well. Let me know in the comments below if it is. I'm almost 100% certain it is, though. I think this is the same crew. Last week when they were launching their ski, same deal. They were here at the ramp for like 15 minutes trying to get this trailer back down, and it looks like today's going to be no different. Careful, bro. You're looking at that jackknife. Oh, hopefully he sees it. Oh, he caught it just before it happened. But now he's got himself at a good angle at least. Turn that wheel all the way, bro. Get it all the way to the right. Bring this thing around. Let's get this down here. Ah, and he went the wrong way again. There we go. He's going to try and get it back, but you got to get the trailer straight again, bro. You've got it all out of whack. This is an interesting one. Our guy's sitting in the water holding the ski as well, so no lines. We're just going to let it ride. Once again, he kind of lined it up for a good angle. These ones are rough. It's funny, actually, because this reminds me of somebody in the comments about a week or two ago, and the comment was, hey BG, let's see you back up a trailer, a single jet ski trailer. And I'm gonna try and find the video, guys. It's on here from last year somewhere, but here at Boynton I did it, and not in the way you think. In other words, it was a situation similar to this. There was somebody there struggling for about 20 minutes, literally trying to back a trailer up, and I just couldn't watch anymore. And literally, I walked from our spot over here all the way around to the dock, asked the guy if he wanted a hand, and he said yes, and I backed his trailer in, and we actually have it on camera, and it's in a video. So if I can find that video, I'm going to, somewhere in this conversation here, I'll link it up above, and you guys can check that one out, or maybe I'll link it in the description below as well. But, so it's not that hard, guys. I mean, it just takes a little practice, but the ramp's not the spot to do it at. And they're backing in, and bro, being in the water, you got to be careful, man. Our guy's already proven it's not the best at doing this trailer thing, and you could easily get run over here. So at least we've got it down in the water, and significantly faster time than what we saw last week. And you've got it way too deep, though. Way too deep. I mean, they're just floating completely over the trailer. He's definitely going to have to try and pull this thing forward a little bit if he really wants to get it settled on there, right? Other than that, my man's going to have to really watch this when he's pulling it out. I mean, and you can tell, obviously, they're struggling to get it on the trailer, but it just has to do, once again, with the trailer being way too deep. I mean, this thing is pretty much already off. So I thought our guy was walking up and maybe was possibly going to help him out and pull this thing forward a little bit, but it appears that is not the case. He's just done sitting in the water holding the ski. But, I mean, we're not even floating over the trailer, and our guy's pulling forward. I'm assuming to pull this, he's got to be pulling the truck forward. No, he's in reverse. We're going deeper. That's not going to help this situation at all, bro. Oh, my God, he's got the bumper buried now. Oh, man. Bro, that's not going to help your cause at all. And he's trying to kick it over. I'm not even sure what these guys are doing now, but man, that's definitely not the position you want to be in. Are we going back to the truck? Are we going to pull it forward this time? No, we went further back. No, there we go. There you go, bro. Oh, no, but it's not hooked. Oh, sometimes it's rough. We probably should put out an instructional video on how to do this. That may be something me and my crew are going to have to work on. I think we're gonna do this one, man. We're going to do how to launch a single jet ski trailer video. And maybe we'll do a boat one as well. I mean, just for the heck of it. We might as well just do it. And he's bringing it back over, but man, this is, once again, we're minutes into this now. I mean, they've been sitting on the ramp for a while. It took them a couple minutes to get this thing back down here. And now it's going to take them a couple minutes to get it out of here as well, it looks like. And just, they've got it so deep in the water. He pulled forward a hair, but he's still just too deep. They're floating over the trailer. Hopefully this thing stays on the trailer when he tries to pull it out, because I don't know if you didn't see the video like a week ago when we saw this crew launching. They tried to launch the ski, they got it off, and they pulled out too early, and the ski got hung up on the trailer and flipped off the trailer. So let's hope that doesn't happen onto the ramp this time. Fortunately, when it happened the last time, it just did it into the water, and things were okay, easily fixed. But, I mean, if they get this thing all crooked coming up here and it falls onto the ramp, that's going to be a whole different world. And here we go. Our guy's going to try his first attempt at pulling this out. Let's see how it settles. I think he's going to be all right, and they're going to get lucky, and after several minutes, finally be able to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Rams. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.